Assuming you're searching for NEXO cost expectations, conjecture for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of NEXO and NEXO will go from now on? We will break down the past costs of NEXO and NEXO, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master, examiners. Also anticipating something so amazing is totally inconceivable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of NEXO is $1.02 and NEXO is at present positioned in the whole crypto environment. The course supply of NEXO is 560,011 with a market cap of $571,570,367. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the NEXO's cost has shown a decent increment of 3.54% as of now. From most recent 7 days the NEXO was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.19%. NEXO has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. In any case, after contrasting the ongoing cost and recent days cost history, it is seen that NEXO has expanded 27.939% in its worth. The typical least cost for the month is 70 cents while greatest normal cost was 74 cents. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change is near -55.82% and the cost flowed from a base typical cost of $2.30 to greatest normal cost of $2.36 in the beyond 90 days. NEXO is somewhere near -53.25% with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $2.09 and the base typical value of was around $2.04 in beyond 4 months. Starting around August 31, 2022 NEXO is exchanging at $1.02 in term of its USD rate with the value change of -0.34% in most recent 60 minutes. NEXO has an all-out market cap of $570,650,667 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $53,086,085. This makes NEXO and NEXO positioning as 68 in the cryptographic money market. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the NEXO cost forecast finish of 2023, what will NEXO be worth in 2023? Is NEXO a wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Will NEXO cost outperform its record-breaking high? These are our NEXO cost expectations for NEXO's future. NEXO and NEXO price prediction 2023 according to the NEXO estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the NEXO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.27. The normal least value worth of NEXO toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $1.23. Besides NEXO can arrive at a most extreme value level of $1.53. NEXO price prediction 2022. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of NEXO, in 2022 the cost of NEXO is anticipated to reach at least degree of 83 cents. The NEXO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 93 cents with the typical exchanging costs of 86 cents. NEXO price prediction 2023. The cost of NEXO is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.23 in 2023. The NEXO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.53 with the typical cost of $1.27 all through 2023. NEXO price prediction January 2023. The cost of NEXO is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of 86 cents in 2023. The NEXO cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 97 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 94 cents all through 2023. NEXO and NEXO price prediction February 2023. As for February 2023, NEXO cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of 95 cents. The NEXO cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.02 with the typical estimate cost of 98 cents. NEXO price prediction March 2023. The cost of NEXO is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of 97 cents in 2023. The NEXO cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1.07 with the typical exchanging cost of $1 all through 2023. NEXO price forecast April 2023. In April 2023 the cost of NEXO is gauged to be at around a base worth of 98 cents. The NEXO value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.11 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.02 in USD. NEXO price prediction May 2023. The cost of NEXO is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $1.01 in 2023. The NEXO cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1.16 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.05 all through 2023. NEXO, NEXO, price prediction June 2023. As for June 2023, NEXO cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1.06. The NEXO cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $1.21 with the typical estimate cost of $1.09. NEXO price prediction July 2023. The cost of NEXO is anticipated to reach at least worth of $1.09 in 2023. The NEXO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.25 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.13 all through 2023. NEXO, NEXO, price forecast August 2023. For August the cost of NEXO is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $1.15 while the coin will exchange between a limit of $1.30 and at least $1.10. NEXO price forecast September 2023. The normal cost of NEXO, NEXO, could go to $1.17 toward September's end. NEXO could be exchanging around the greatest worth of $1.35 with the base expected cost of $1.13. NEXO, NEXO, price prediction October 2023. As for October 2023, NEXO cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $1.16. The NEXO cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.40 with the typical gauge cost of $1.21. NEXO price forecast November 2023. The normal cost of NEXO, NEXO, could go to $1.24 toward November's end. NEXO could be exchanging around the greatest worth of $1.46 with the base expected cost of $1.20.